Hello, Alison Colley here from Real Employment Law Advice. It's Saturday the 21st of March and as you can see I'm in the office today. It's been a bit of an unusual week, hence why I'm in the office today and taking calls and dealing with work for many people today. I have to say, and I'm sure many of you feel exactly the same, it's been the hardest week I've ever had from a business perspective in terms of work ever since I started my working life. I haven't had a harder week than I've had this week, and I've had so many conversations with fantastic business owners, I'm tearing up now, who have been completely stressed out and sleepless nights and worrying about, oh gosh, what they're going to do with their staff. And thankfully yesterday there was the announcement from the Chancellor about the wages package that's going to be available for employers, which came as a huge relief, because all week I've been having these conversations with people who have been absolutely devastated by the fact that they would either have to dismiss their employees or put them on unpaid leave. Just talking to people, trying to find ways around it. And after every conversation, I came away completely drained, but absolutely reassured about how wonderful people are in business, particularly here on the Isle of Wight, but also further afield. You know, there wasn't one business owner who was thinking about it so selfishly and who wasn't worried about their staff and how their staff are going to manage and pay the bills and all of those sorts of things. So it's been really hard. One of the reasons why I do this job, and the reason why I wanted to do this job in the first place, why I decided to become a solicitor, is because I like helping people to solve their problems and to find solutions. And this week, there just haven't been any solutions. There hasn't been any light at the end of the tunnel. And I have to say, on more than one occasion, I've sat in the car after being at a meeting or having a discussion with someone and did a little cry. It's been really emotional and overwhelming. And like many of you who watched the announcement yesterday, I'm sure, it brought a tear to my eye because of the relief for everybody involved. So yeah, it just feels like the hard week, and I thought I would just do a little update while I'm in the office to explain that. There is going to be lots of information being made available from the government about this scheme. And what I'm doing is I'm speaking to our customers all the time about it. I'm going to create a list of frequently asked questions, so questions that I'm being asked, and where I can I'll answer them, but then we'll just add the answers as we get the information through. The key thing to note is that if you're unable to pay staff and you need to lay them off temporarily while this is all happening, then you can claim 80% of their wages, up to $2,500, from the government via HMRC, who are currently setting up a portal, I understand, where you can put in the information and work out how you do that. So there'll be more information coming, so watch this space, but I just want to say, you know, I'm with you, everyone who's feeling it, and yeah, hopefully there is some light at the end of the tunnel for us. And of course, if you need anything from myself or any of the team, then we're happy to help, even if it's just to have a chat for a bit of a sanity check. We're here for you.